4 more fishers have been given boats and engines to get them back out sea. The handover comes as the government tries to rebuild the sector following a battering from Hurricane Melissa last October. Krista Campbell has the details.
Returning to sea one boat at a time. The story of fishers in several parishes hard hit by Hurricane Melissa.
Nothing really I go on and see towards fishing. Because all the weather and things, river mouth and them sit the black up, you can't get for gas see. But yet still we come pull through sea, man, that's the right thing. Find a local thing on the roadside for one do, just to make waste meet.
But at the Paji Fishing Beach in St. Mary on Wednesday, 4 new boats and 4 engines from the Fisheries Ministry are expected to help 2 fishers in St. Mary and 2 in Portland make a splash as they try to recover from the post-hurricane downturn in the sector.
Now we can go further out at sea, far, to catch more pelagic fish because that is the aim with this boat. Because we know that the floor fish, like the parrots and so forth, they're not getting a chance to grow to maturity.
Fisheries Minister Floyd Green explains that while the donations of boats, engines and other fishing materials are part of the government's hurricane recovery program, fishers 35 years old and younger are also being targeted to get more youngsters involved in the sector.
We want you to focus on catching some of the larger species, some of the marlins, the tuna, the mahi-mahi. Why? Because we still import a whole lot of fish. When you go to our hotel sector, they're looking for those types of fish.
The multi-million-dollar initiative also includes the training of fishers in longline fishing, which includes the use of technology aimed at attracting bigger fish found in deeper waters. Through the Japan International Cooperation Agency JICA, the Japanese government is also providing a trainer for 2 years and is currently building a $1.2 billion vessel to help with further growth of the fisheries sector.
This vessel will be a game changer, enabling us to expand our scientific research, improve our resource management, and strengthen our role in safeguarding Jamaica's marine environment. In addition, JICA has provided us with our own consultant.
And with the help of the United Nations Development Programme UNDP, the Fisheries Minister says the government plans to install solarized refrigerated containers on all major fishing beaches to help improve storage and maintain the quality of whatever the fishers catch at sea. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.